Hello guys, let we see in these video parts to know about artificial intelligence. Let's start. Take your own separate notes first, understand the concept, and after that what you understand about these and fulfill the notes in your own understandable way. Problem solving for search. Artificial intelligence AI is a branch of computer science that deals with the creation of intelligent machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes things like understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, learning from experience, and making decisions. AI techniques include machine learning, neural networks, natural language processing, and robotics, among others. AI has applications in various fields, including healthcare, finance, transportation, and entertainment, and its development continues to advance rapidly. An intelligent agent in AI refers to a system that perceives its environment and takes actions to achieve specific goals. It's essentially a software entity that perceives its environment through sensors and acts upon it through actuators, striving to achieve its objectives effectively. Here's a breakdown. 1. Perception. The agent perceives its environment using sensors. These sensors could be anything from cameras and microphones to more specialized sensors depending on the context of the agent's task. 2. Reasoning. Based on the information gathered from its sensors and its internal knowledge, the agent reasons or decides on the best course of action to take. This reasoning can range from simple rule-based logic to complex decision-making processes using machine learning algorithms. 3. Action. After deciding on the best course of action, the agent takes actions in the environment through actuators. Actuators could be physical devices like motors in a robot or virtual actions in a software application. Examples of intelligent agents. 1. Autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars use sensors such as cameras, LiDAR, and radar to perceive the environment. They then process this information using algorithms to make decisions like when to accelerate, brake, or change lanes. 2. Chatbots. Chatbots are intelligent agents that interact with users through natural language. They perceive user input through text or speech recognition, analyze it using natural language processing techniques, and respond appropriately. 3. Personal assistants. Virtual personal assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant perceive user commands through speech recognition and process them to perform tasks such as setting reminders, playing music, or providing information for recommendation systems. Intelligent agents in recommendation systems analyze user preferences and behavior to recommend products, movies, music, or other content. These agents perceive user interactions and use algorithms to make personalized recommendations. In summary, intelligent agents in AI are systems that perceive their environment, reason about it, and take actions to achieve specific goals, with examples ranging from autonomous vehicles to personal assistants and recommendation systems.